Welcome to this meditation on manifesting happiness. Before we begin, find a comfortable seated position and sit upright with your hands on your lap with your palms facing the sky. You can also do this laying in bed, wherever you feel most comfortable. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to relax. Breathe in through your nose, making your stomach expand, and breathe out your mouth with an audible sigh. Allow your breathing to return to a normal pace after you have completed 3 large deep breaths. Now, let's bring our focus to our intention for this meditation, manifesting happiness. Imagine happiness as a bright, radiant light. It may look different for each of us, but in this moment, let's visualize it as a warm, golden glow. As we sit here, take a moment to reflect on the things in your life that bring you joy and contentment. Maybe it's time spent with loved ones, participating in a hobby, or simply the feeling of the sun on your face. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the feelings of happiness and gratitude for these moments. Now, bring to mind a specific goal or desire that you have. It could be anything from a career change to a new hobby or relationship. As you visualize this goal, see it as already accomplished. Feel the happiness and excitement that comes with achieving it. Remember, the power of manifestation begins with our thoughts and feelings. By focusing on and feeling the emotions of already having achieved our goals, we are planting the seeds for them to become a reality. Take a few more deep breaths and allow yourself to fully embrace this feeling of happiness and manifestation. Breathe in through your nose, making your stomach expand, and breathe out your mouth with an audible sigh. As you slowly come back to the present moment, take a moment to thank yourself for taking the time to meditate and manifest happiness. Remember to return to this feeling of happiness and manifestation whenever you need a boost of positivity. Take one last deep breath, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Have a big stretch and notice how you feel just now. Joining me on this meditation on manifesting happiness. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you again. Have a beautiful day.